Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Alhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen. Wa sallallahu ala Sayyidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Welcome back, brothers and sisters. We are using a different text as mentioned in the previous video. We're ayah number 12 of Surah Al Imran, lesson 128 of Quran for Beginners lessons, inshallah. Let's get started. Bismillah. We're right here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. And actually, before we begin, these are the English equivalent of right under the word. Okay, transliteration. Kafaru, kafaru. Satughlabuna, like that. Okay, don't depend on these. These are just there to kind of help you when you get stuck. And these are word for word what it means. Okay, so we'll go nice and slow. Bismillah. We'll start right here. A'udhu billahi min shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Qul. Now notice this doesn't have anything above it. That means it has a sukoon. But then it's going to go straight to this lam. So it's going to jump to this. قُل لِل. Okay. قُل لِلَّذِينَ. قُل لِلَّذِينَ. كَفَرُوا. كَفَرُوا. This waw and alif are not read. كَفَرُوا. Okay. تغلبون. So that's the sin, ta, ghain. You already know all this. Satughlabuna. The waw extends the ba just slightly. Satughlabuna. Okay. Continuing. Watuhsharuna. This is one that's tricky, but this is a ta on top of a ha. Tuh. This is a sukoon over the ha. وتحشرون وتحشرون إلى جهنم. This noon is a غنة. Okay. جهنم. وبئس. وبئس. Notice there's an apostrophe here. وبئس. So وبئس, because this hamza with a sukoon, you hold your breath. It is said as وبئس. Okay, and then you skip over this and you go straight to the lam here that has a sukoon. So it becomes وَبِئْسَ الْمِهَادِ. وَبِئْسَ الْمِهَادِ. Okay, next ayah. Make sure I get that squared up pretty good. Okay, قَدْ. قَدْ كَانَ. I hope this is not too distracting. If it is, we'll remove it next video. Okay? قَدْ كَانَ لَكُمْ. قَدْ. قَدْ. Why is it قَدْ? I'll give you a second to figure it out. Why is it قَدْ? What's that rule called? We've done it a lot. Right? قَلْقَلَ. Okay? Just a slight vibration. Like doubling it. قَدْ. قد كان لكم. قد كان لكم آية. آية. Hamza with a alif. آية. في. Now this tun is tanween before the fa, so becomes إخفاء. آية في. So tun في. فئتين. There's almost two fees here. في فئتين. Okay. آية في فئتين. This ni here, what's happening is we're going to drop this and go straight to the lam with a sukoon. فئتين. And if you notice, that doesn't give you enough to figure it out here. فئتين التقتا. فئتين التقتا. Okay. تقتا. Continuing down here. فئة. فئة تقاتل. Why did we do that? Because this ta followed by tanween here of dhammatain makes it ikhfa. فئة تقاتل في سبيلي. Okay, تقاتل. This fatha on the qaf extends it. فئة تقاتل في سبيل الله. في سبيل, the ya with a sukun extends this ba, sabili, and then you have the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala before a kasra. What does it do? Is it full mouth or small mouth? Let's see if you remember. It is a small mouth. So you don't do it full mouth, you do it small. So you would say fi sabilillahi, fi sabilillahi. You see that? As opposed to fi sabilillahi, that would be wrong. Fi sabilillahi wa u, and then you have the kha, of course, with a sukoon. Wa ukhra, wa ukhra. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Wa ukhra kafiratun yarawunahum. Why? This is called idgham. It's mixing here with this ya, assimilating. Kafiratun yarawnahum. And then these memes are joining. More assimilation or idgham. Yarawnahum mithlayhim. Mithlayhim. Ra'ya. Ra'ya. Ra, because this is a hamza sukoon. Ra, yal, yal, because this drops, goes straight to the lam. Yal, ayn. Jim's a good place to stop. Ra, yal, ayn. And you don't say ayni if you're stopping. I've got to ask that question. If you're stopping, the correct thing is not to read that. Ra, yal, ayn. You stop. Continuing. Wallahu. Wallahu yu'ayyidu bi nasrihi. Wallahu yu'ayyidu bi nasrihi. So bi nasrihi man, but this noon sakina followed by ya, there is an assimilation, right? Idgham. Man yasha. Inna fi dhalika. Let's pull this up a little bit more. Inna fi dhalika. This extends the dha. Dhalika la'ib. La'ib. Because that's a ba with qalqala. La'ibratan. La'ibratan. Then what is it? La'ibratan li'ulil. لأولي because the wow لأولي, that drops, goes straight to the lam here that has a sukoon, so it becomes lil absar, لأولي الأبصار. Okay, we'll stop there. Thank you for joining us once again. Do subscribe to the channel, it really helps out. And that'll give you notified when new lessons are on. And if you'd like to join us for extra perks on what the channel holds, inshallah, do become an actual member by joining. And if you click on join, you'll see it on the channel, what the different levels are. Thank you again. May Allah bless you all. Please pray for us. Barakallahu feekum. Assalamu alaikum.